Open Assembly 3a.dwg, which is available in the Tutorials Drawings folder. If the tool palette containing the subassemblies is not visible, click Home tab Palettes panel Tool Palettes in the Tool palette, right-click the Tool palette's control bar. Click Civil Imperial Subassemblies. Right-click the Tool palette's control bar. Click New Palette. Replace the new palette name with Tutorial Assemblies. Zoom into the assemblies on the right-hand side of the surface. On the proposed road assembly, select the baseline. Click the bottom of the baseline marker. Drag the baseline onto the Tutorial Assemblies tool palette. Repeat steps 2 and 3 for the remaining 3 assemblies. On the Tutorial Assemblies tool palette, right-click an empty area. Click View Options. In the View Options dialog box, move the image size slider to the right to increase the size of the images on the tool palette. Click OK. On the Tutorial Assemblies tool palette, hover the cursor over the curb Return Left, CRL, Assembly. Click Home tab Palettes panel drop-down Content Browser. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, click. In the Add Catalog dialog box, select Create a new catalog. Replace the new catalog text with Residential Assemblies, Tutorial. Click Browse. In the Browse for Folder dialog box, examine the file path. Click OK twice. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, right-click the Residential Assemblies, Tutorial, Catalog. Click Properties. In the Catalog Properties dialog box, double-click the image rectangle. In the Select Image File dialog box, navigate to the Tutorial folder. Select assembly_catalog_image.png. Click Open. In the Catalog Properties dialog box, click OK. Create a tool palette in a tool catalog. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, click the Residential Assemblies, Tutorial, Tool Catalog. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, click. In the Tool Palette Properties dialog box, specify the following parameters. Name, 50-foot row assemblies. Description, corridor assemblies for residential subdivisions that require a 50 feet right-of-way. Click OK. Add assemblies to a tool palette in a tool catalog. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, double-click the 50-foot row assemblies tool palette. In the Autodesk Civil 3D window, click the Tutorial Assemblies tool palette. Press Ctrl+A to select all the assemblies on the palette. Drag the assemblies into the 50-foot row assemblies tool palette in the Residential Assemblies, Tutorial, Tool Catalog. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, click. Right-click the Residential Assemblies, Tutorial, Tool Catalog. Click Publish Residential Assemblies, Tutorial. In the Publish Tool Catalog dialog box, on the Step 1 of 4 page, select Move it to a new location. Click Next. On the Step 2 of 4 page, click. In the Move Catalog dialog box, navigate to the My Civil 3D Tutorial Data folder. Click Make New Folder. Name the folder Assemblies Tutorial, and then click OK. Click Next. On the Step 3 of 4 page, make sure that the dependent file path is the same location that you specified in Step 4. If it is not, click to navigate to the correct path. Make sure that both checkboxes on this page are selected. Click Next. On the Step 4 of 4 page, make sure directly from the location provided is selected. Click Finish. Using Windows Explorer, navigate to the Assemblies Tutorial folder on the Windows desktop. The folder should contain the following files: Images folder, Palettes folder, Residential Assemblies, Tutorial.atc. Delete the existing catalog from your content browser library. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, right-click the Residential Assemblies, Tutorial, Catalog. Click Remove Residential Assemblies, Tutorial, from Library. In the Delete Catalog dialog box, click Yes. Install the tool catalog. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, click. In the Add Catalog dialog box, select Add an existing catalog or website. Click Browse. In the Browse for Catalog Files dialog box, My Civil 3D Tutorial Data folder. Select Residential Assemblies, Tutorial.atc. Click Open. In the Add Catalog dialog box, click OK. A copy of the tool catalog is created in your personal catalog library. Close Assembly 3a.dwg. Click New. In the Select Template dialog box, select Autodesk Civil 3D, Imperial, NCS.dwt. Click Open. In the Autodesk Content Browser window, open the Residential Assemblies, Tutorial, 50ft Row Assemblies tool palette. Hover the cursor over the icon below the proposed road assembly image. Notice that the cursor changes to A. Click and hold the icon. Drag the cursor into the drawing window and release the mouse button. In an empty area in the drawing window, click to place the assembly. Press Escape to exit subassembly placement mode. In the drawing window, select the baseline of the new assembly. Right-click. Click Assembly Properties. In the Assembly Properties dialog box, on the Construction tab, notice that the subassemblies that make up the assembly have retained the naming convention that was specified in the original assembly. Click Cancel. Add a tool palette from Content Browser to the current tool palette group. In the Autodesk Content Browser 2023 window, click. In the Catalog library, click the Residential Assemblies, Tutorial, Tool Catalog. Hover the cursor over the icon next to the 50-foot Row Assemblies tool palette. Notice that the cursor changes to A. Click and hold the icon. Drag the cursor onto the tool palette, and then release the mouse button. The 50-foot Row Assemblies tool palette and its contents are displayed in the current tool palette group.